C24/7 Natura-Ceuticals is a breakthrough product from Nature's Way, has used its proprietary manufacturing processes allowing all ingredients to deliver to the highest level of antioxidants and phytonutrients. It has over 22,000 phytonutrients and a very high REC value. C24/7 Natura-Ceuticals is approved as halal by the Muslims and kosher by the Jews. It is 100% excipient-free and the material used for encapsulating complete is also made from vegetables, vegetarian capsules or caps. C24/7 Natura-Ceuticals utilizes nanotechnology, phyto-alkaloids, for faster absorption, and Synatech, for a synergistic boost. C24/7 contains all ingredients of complete phyto-energizer, 29 vitamins and minerals, trace minerals, 12 whole fruit juice blend, 12 whole vegetable juice blend, 12 mushrooms, 12 herbs specialty nutrients, 12 digestive enzymes, 10 essential fatty acids, 14 green foods spirulina blend, 18 amino acids, 5 anti-aging antioxidant enhancer, 4 longevity polyphenols, mega-resveratrol blend. Why take C24/7 Natura-Ceuticals? Promotes longevity, lowers cholesterol level, protects against heart diseases and complications, helps prevent cancer of any origin, controls high blood pressure, controls blood sugar, enhances and balances the metabolism, prevents degenerative diseases like arthritis, enhances, nourishes, strengthens and balances the immune system, increases the production of inherent glutathione in our body, rejuvenates the skin, regenerates liver cells, promotes healthy blood circulation, detoxifies the body, reduces fatigue, depression and anxiety, enhances sexual vitality.
Hi there, this is Edwin.
And this is Emma.
We are going to introduce to you the breakthrough product of AIM Global Alliance in Motion Incorporated. C24/7 Natura-Ceuticals contains the highest level of antioxidants with approximately 22,000 phytonutrients. C24/7 manufactured by Nature's Way, a billion-dollar premium herbal company in USA. C24/7 exclusively distributed by AIM Global Alliance in Motion Incorporated. BFAD approved and certified halal. Phyto-alkaloids, a powerful complex of natural alkaline ingredients. Synatech embodies the science and technology of the combined complementary and synergistic effects of nature's most powerful elements and phytochemical nutrients.
100 uses of C24/7. 1. Acute and chronic diarrhea. 2. Allergic rhinitis. 3. Amenorrhea. 4. Anemia. 5. Atopic dermatitis. 6. Atopic vaginitis. 7. Benign prostatic hypertrophy. 8. Beriberi. 9. Bone fracture. 10. Brain tumor.
11. Bronchial asthma. 12. Bronchitis. 13. Burns. 14. Cancer and tumor formation. 15. Cataract. 16. Cervical cancer. 17. Cholelithiasis gallstones. 18. Colitis. 19. Colon prolapsed and bowel pockets. 20. Conjunctivitis.
21. Constipation. 22. Cough. 23. Cyst. 24. Deafness of old age. 25. Diabetes insulin dependent type 1. 26. Diabetes mellitus type 2. 27. Dysmenorrhea. 28. Dyspepsia. 29. Icapora. 30. Edema.
31. Endometriosis. 32. Enteritis, swelling intestines. 33. Epilepsy. 34. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. 35. Gingivitis. 36. Glaucoma. 37. Goiter. 38. Gout. 39. Halitosis. 40. Heart disease and complication.
41. Hepatitis. 42. Hypercholesterolemia. 43. Hyperlipidemia. 44. Hypertension. 45. Immunodeficiency. 46. Insomnia. 47. Kidney diseases. 48. Laryngitis. 49. Leukorrhea. 50. Liver cirrhosis.
51. Low sperm count. 52. Meningitis. 53. Mental tiredness. 54. Migraine. 55. Muscle and nerve pain. 56. Muscular degeneration. 57. Muscular dystrophy. 58. Myoma. 59. Nephrolithiasis. 60. Neuralgia.
61. Neuromuscular disorder. 62. Osteoarthritis. 63. Osteoporosis. 64. Pancreatitis. 65. Paralysis. 66. Parasitism. 67. Patients with debilitating disease. 68. Pharyngitis. 69. Piles after operation. 70. Piles external swelling.
71. Premenopausal syndrome. 72. Prolapse to the stomach. 73. Psoriasis. 74. Rectal tumor. 75. Respiratory infection. 76. Rheumatic heart fever. 77. Rheumatoid arthritis. 78. Scurvy. 79. Shortness of breath in children. 80. Sinusitis.
81. Skin rash. 82. Skin ulcer. 83. Spinal diseases. 84. Stroke. 85. Systemic lupus erythematosus. 86. Tendinitis. 87. Thrombosis. 88. Thyroid problem. 89. Tinnitus. 90. Tonsillitis.
91. Toxic blood and acidosis. 92. Toxins in the body. 93. Trichomonas vaginalis. 94. Ulcerative colitis. 95. Underweight and malnutrition. 96. Urethritis. 97. Vaginitis. 98. Varicose veins. 99. Vertigo. And 100.
Weakness of the lower.
Nagsimula ang sakit ko noong January.
Talagang nire-require po sila ng kanilang medical examination.
Those are the 100 kind of diseases can be cured by C24/7. You can find wide numbers of testimonials uploaded in YouTube. Narrow your search by typing C24/7 Natura-Ceuticals. For inquiries you may contact Edwin at 09212811474, or to someone who may share this link. No copyright infringement intended. Credits to the owner of testimonials, video and media being used.